after we signed our franchise agreement, I reached back out to Curt and I was like, hey man, I need to talk to you for a second about something that has nothing to do with donuts for the first time ever. And I'm like, what do you do every day? Is this it? Like, you find where people's passions are and you just help them walk this process to get them to business ownership? And he was like, yeah, every day, just working with people like you, working with people that sometimes it's their first venture. We've got people that are, looking for something on the side where they're going to stay in their corporate job and they want something that can work on the side. I had my final conversation with Sidekick and I got my offer. I'm like, I get to finally have that same impact that Curt had on our life with lives, across the country now. So that was a huge day.